you'll need to make 3 other sprites. You'll need to make a sprite that somebody can click on to move from the instruction screen to the animation screen. You'll need to make a start button for the animation screen, and you'll need to make a piece of grass. So the buttons are really easy to make. So if we just go to Paint New Sprite, and then the best thing to do is to create a rectangle. So I'm doing a coloured in rectangle, and you can have it what any colour you want, and then you put your text on top of it. And down here you can choose different fonts and things. If you don't have your rectangle coloured in, when people click on it, it may not actually work, because, for example, if your rectangle isn't coloured in, if they click about here in the middle on a non-coloured in part, they're not actually clicking on the rectangle, they're clicking on nothing. So it's really important to make sure your buttons are coloured in. So you've got your Start Animation button, we'll call that one Start. Do a new sprite. Oops, there was a new costume. I want a new sprite down here. So you don't want a new costume. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that because I don't want that. Go back down to new sprite. And I'm going to do one here. That's going to be called Go to Animation. That'll move you from the instruction screen onto the screen that has the animation on it. And then another one, now this one is really important. This is your piece of grass that'll start at the cow's stomach and travel all the way through. So I'm just going to make let's use brush. Just going to make a green dot, which will be the piece of grass. I may not want it that big. There we go. I might want it a little bit bigger. So this will be the piece of grass that you will see travel through the cow's stomach, or through its 4 stomachs, on its way to providing nutrients to make the milk.